Hello, welcome to another Lego train set putting together type video. What are we on, episode 8 maybe? It goes on and on, doesn't it? Thanks ever so much for your words of encouragement, which I've been getting from a few people here. Mr. Flopper, I'm like, where did you get that name from? Or dare I ask? Dare I ask? Thank you, Mr. Flopper, who says, way to go, Chris. Nice video. You're a long way in now and got some parts to make, but I'll love to it go. I'll keep going with messages like that. It's very kind of you. I must say, very kind of you. And yeah, any others there? I thought I saw another couple of others there. Apologies if you've put one there and I haven't read it. I've just not found it. Okay, so fingers crossed we've got there. I think I did a production production, I think it was. And yeah, there we go. Alrighty, so let's get on with it. We're here so far. I'm very pleased with how this is looking. As I said to you before, it reminds me of the French trains, SCNF or SNCF, one of those two. They look just like this. Look it up. Look it up. All right. Okay, doke. So we're there. We're going here now. All right, we're going here now. So let's get these bits and pieces out. Fingers crossed. And as always, come down to my little table and you'll see what's going on there, all right? There we go. Righty-ho. Incidentally, it was my birthday on Sunday. 60 now I am. So when you get to 60, you can do things like this, okay? Right, number one. We've got some bits to find here. So that looks like a sticker there. Oh, yes, it is. There we go. Couple of stickers there we've got standing by. And these bits here. So we want two of these, which we've got. Let's put a train aside for the moment. Oh my lord. 24 of these. Gosh, look. 24 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're all there, 8. How many we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's going to be this whole packet almost. 21, 22. There'll be one you have trouble finding. There always is. 23. Oh, there it is. 24. That was easy. Of course, I put this down on here so it would be easier for you to see rather than a glass thing. But of course, these are black, so they're going to kind of disappear into the background. I'm sure if you look carefully, you can see the little pile there. All right. 2 of these green things. Okay. 4 green corners. That's there. And 4 black corners. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. It's fairly painless today, I must say. Right. Here we go. Oops. Nearly lost that then. No, that's wrong, isn't it? This device here is supposed to help you kind of get bits out, but anyway, I don't know. Much luck with this thing. It's some sort of tool type thing. Don't know how this works though. It's actually easier to break a nail trying to get the bits apart again. No, I can't use that. Oh, Christ. What you don't want to do is use anything metal because you'll just ruin it, all right? Right, let's try this again. Straight back down. There we go. Like that. Okay. And then the two black ones on the inside here. Where do they go now? Right, long bit to the side, okay. Like a square type thing. Right. And then we've got grey things that we've got to put a black. Where are they gone? Oh, they're black ones. These two black things. My most unfavourite thing, do you know, I think it's my most unfavourite thing of the whole thing, putting stickers on. I never get the damn thing straight. I was crap at art at school. I mean, I really was bad at art. Even now, I can't draw things. There we go. So that's going in there like that. Okay. And it says here, we've got to make two of them. So exactly the same on the other grey. I don't know what the weather is like with you, but it's warmed up a little bit today, which I'm pleased about. I haven't got to have the heating on. And another sticker on there. There we go. All right. Turn over. Are we putting these on somewhere? Yes, we are. On the side. So, oops. Let's have a little look at this. Yeah, that's pretty obvious. Well, I say that. I've said that before and I had to take the damn thing apart again. But yeah, it looks like it just... There's the two straight bits there and they're here, see? So we're butt it right up against that. And that should... Yeah, look at that. Perfect fit there, okay? Hold on to the side of it because you don't want to... that fits on the sort of power supply thing, which... So presumably when you change the batteries, you've got to take that off, which is a bit of a thing really, isn't it? But that's how it is, so we probably turn it over. And, oh, hang on a minute. No, we got two things to put on here. Two long green things and a little roundy red thing. They're going on here. Okay, on the top. Yep. Watch your wires here, okay? Don't crunch them, just gently push them into place. Don't crunch them. All right, you don't want to damage those because nothing will work. Is that on there? A bit further in, I think. There we are. No, that's not on. Is it on? That don't look right. Oh, maybe I need to put the side on first. Yes, let me put the side on first. There we go. That's on. And a little red thing just behind that little hook thing here. It's got two bits spare, so that goes on there like that. Yes, that's really taking shape now, that beautiful train, isn't it? And over we go. Right, Do you know what? We haven't used those yet, have we? Why haven't we used those yet? 1 minute. Oh, you silly old fool. These go all around there. Now, can we do it while it's on there? Yes, we can. Like, I've completely forgot about those. All right. Ideally, you want to make those before it goes on the side. But all those little black ones, they go all around there. Look, you can see it now. Yeah? Rather than that, you put them on and make that. So all in a straight line. That should be fairly easy. It feels all right to just push them on there. So that's what I'll do. And put them all around. Yes, I see. Easy peasy. I only go up one way, alright? I won't go around the other way. That's it. It looks like a proper grated, like for an air intake or something like that now, doesn't it? And the same on the other side. I wondered why I was sitting there like that. It reminds me of when I used to take electrical things apart as a child. For example, my nan's radiogram. She had one of these really old radiograms. It was basically a record player and a radio and a speaker. And it was like a real piece of furniture, you know, all polished wood or whatever it was. And inside were all these valves. And I think I was about, I don't know, 6 years old. And I climbed into this thing. And while it was plugged in, okay? While it was plugged in, I climbed into this thing and started pulling all the valves out. I don't think it ever worked after that. I'm lucky to still be here, to be honest. I should have been electrocuted, I think. There we go, that's better. We've done all those now. Look at the difference that makes, gosh. Okay. Right, we've done those two on the top there, haven't we? Over we go. 2 of these, yep. 1 of those, and 4 little corner things. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Where are they going? The 4 corner things and those serrated things go on the top here. Where are they going? Here, but look, yeah, against the black bit. All right. So 1 in from there. Do you know, dare I say, I think I'm getting quite good at this now. We haven't had to go back for a couple of pages, have we? Right, the double thing on there. And the 4 corner things on the edge. There we are. There we are. All on there. On the top there, okay. Oh, I like that. Right. I'm kind of wondering how you... It doesn't seem particularly easy, because you know the batteries are in here. Do you literally have to take all that off to get to the batteries? Seems a bit mad. I'm sure we'll find out a little bit more about that later, but... Do you know what I mean? Have you got to take all this top off to get to the blooming batteries in there? Oh well. And there's more bits to go on the top here. Well, we're going to make some sort of thing here. So, 1 of the little green squares. A little black circle thing. This is what we're after here. A black square thing. Little red thing and another little red thing with a hook. Right. Put this together. I think that's going on the black thing, is it? Yeah, it must do. Little thing with hooks. Is that the right thing there? That doesn't look right. Oh, it is. It must be. It's the only thing there. Okay. Right. The red thing on there. Little thing on there. Across the two of them. I reckon this is some sort of light, is it? Yeah. Squaring it up a bit. And where's this going? On there. That must be attaching to that hook, I would imagine, there. Can you see? Will it click? Oh, we love a click. There you go. What a green light. Right. Gosh, we're nearly at the end of this book. Check this out, baby. Two of these black things, yes. And they are going across the top here. Oh no, it don't fit. Oh, does it? Hang on. Oh, I've got to lay that down, have I? Look here, look, missed that. Got to lay that down, right? And now it fits, yeah. Always read the book. Something I'm not good at. Okay, what do we got here? That one, and that one. And we're making this. That goes on there like that. And then that goes like that. See? So it moves. Just like here. And you put it back on itself like that. And that goes where? I think... Oh, it's another hook there. That must click in there then, does it? Oh! Oh, yes. And comes down like that. I don't know what that is. Oh, I know what that is. That's for the, you know where it takes the electric from overhead, isn't it? That's got to be what that is. What's that called? Gantry? I don't know. Anyway, it says to fold it back, so we'll do that for now, like that. Turning over. Right. We're going to put a little man in, I believe. Open up. He's ready to drive. Yes. How's he sitting there like that somehow? Oh, no. Was he standing up? Hang on. Come on, Mr. Man, how'd you go in there? I think he's just standing up. Maybe if I put his arms down a bit. Yeah. Oh. I think, how do you sit him down then? Maybe you just drop him in, do you? You can't just drop him in, surely. Was he in earlier? No, he wasn't. Oh. That's what I'll do. I'll take that out and put him on there like that. That's the only way you can do it. You've got to... I'm sure you don't... Oh, look. Sitting. Yes, sitting. That's better. Because he's got the other bits on the art. So he's got to be sitting, not standing. Well, you don't see it. And then just put that back in there like that, I reckon. Ah, be careful. There's wires in there, okay? So, once again, do be careful you don't grab the wires and stick them in there. There, he's in position. Ready to drive the train. Now, so for some reason it's now showing us this. Oh, I discovered something the other day, right? Look, these turn. So whether that's the speed or not, I don't know, because it's also got a plus and minus and two red ones. The green one, I guess, is to turn the thing on. It's got a... I don't know why it's showing me that now, for some reason. It doesn't actually say to do anything, does it? So I guess that book's completed. I really find it strange that you've got to take all this off to change the blooming batteries. I mean, it won't be the case with me, but a child would probably want to change these every few hours, wouldn't they? Shall we push the ons and see what happens? It doesn't say to do that, does it? It just shows you the pictures on there. Does that mean turn it on? Go on then. Should something happen here? Oh, there's a light flashing there. There's a light flashing. So do you want me to turn this on as well? Can you see the light? Just give me the light. It's illuminating. The beacon is blinking. No, it's gone out again. No, I don't think it wants us to do anything now, other than press that button for some reason. Okay. Alrighty, I think that's a little video done and another book completed. Check that out, baby. That's beautiful. Thank you. Don't forget any comments, stick them under there and I'll read them out for you. See you soon.